hey guys, it's Goth and let's get ready with me. Okay, so first thing we're gonna need is some organic virgin coconut oil. So yeah, for my face scrub. Step 2, get some sugar. Into a bowl. Now, get some of this coconut oil and mix it in with your cup or bowl of sugar. Okay, last step. Get your favorite tea bag, cut it open, and put the guts in there. And then you're gonna mix it all up. So I forgot to mention to add a few drops of tone correcting face oil, which is just vitamin E and cocoa butter. So now I'm just putting my scrub in a container with a lid that I just cleaned. So do that so it stays sanitized. Okay, so now that you have your scrub, let me tell you what it's gonna do for your skin. So one is a natural makeup remover. You could put it literally everywhere, on your lips, even if on your neck if you want. It's gonna hydrate your skin, it's gonna tone correct your skin, the tea is gonna wake up your skin, and the sugar is just gonna exfoliate. So yeah, it's a really good natural homemade scrub to use, and that's what I'm gonna use to remove my makeup and help clean my skin and tone my skin. So okay, so I'm not gonna use that light filter thing I was using before because I want you to see the color and what the scrub actually looks like. So kind of looks like a gray mushy mess with black specks in it. But yeah, so I'm gonna start using the scrub. I literally just get my fingers in there and just work it in my skin. So it smells so good too, and you gotta really want to work it in there. It's gonna feel so good too. I think it feels good though. I don't know if you're gonna think it feels good. It's super exfoliating too, and your skin's gonna feel so hydrated. Okay, so now I'm going to wash this off with hot water. Not burning hot, but hot water. Not warm, hot. Basically, I'm just gonna use the towel method. Wet the towel with the hot water and scrub it off. So yeah. Hey, so thanks for watching. This is my first YouTube video, so just, I'm going to continue post. I'm trying to post every week. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and my Instagram is right up there. So yeah.